Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change the fonts on your Poco X7 Pro for free without needing any extra apps. It's super simple and you will get a variety of styles to make your phone look unique. So let's get started. First, just open your setting menu, this one, and then just go to personalizations, this one, and then choose fonts, and then just tap on three dots icon, this one. This will redirect you straight into a Poco theme store like this. And inside the theme store, you will find tons of fonts options. And to browse only the free ones, just tap on top menu, this one. And then just select top free. And here you will see a huge list of free fonts that you can try out immediately. And if you are looking for something more specific, you can also explore by category. Just go back and then tap on categories menu. And here, the fonts are already sorted into different styles like bold, colorful, comic, fancy, love, and more. Just pick the one categories that you like. For example, I will choose fancy. And then just pick the ones with a free label so you don't have to pay. Like on here you can tap on strawberry juice, positive attitude, beautiful oceans, like this. Just choose the ones with a free label. For example, I will choose beautiful oceans like this. And then just hit the download button, this one. And after it finishes downloading, just tap on apply. And okay, your phone will instantly switch to the new font styles like this. Is that easy, right? And okay, that's it. That's how you can easily change the fonts on your Poco X7 Pro for free. Just try out different styles and make your phones look match your personality. And okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.